Hi guys, I'm back. Good morning. It's almost Friday, it's Thursday. I'm here drinking my Dutch Bros, the 911 extra sweet. My usual, I'm here in Tucson with my man, taking care of some things, and then after that we're gonna go pick up some rims. Finally, we're in the paint shop, and they're gonna be ready today, so I'm really excited. I'm gonna show you guys when we get them and all that later, but yeah, he got the electric berry with green tea. It is so good, you guys. Like, every time I finish my coffee I drink his. But anyways, I'll be back, you guys. So you guys, we are back right here. We're at the paint shop. You guys, sorry, you guys are gonna see right now his rims. They look so pretty. They're gloss black with green letters. And yeah. Hey guys, we're back again. We're here at Starbucks.
I'm trying to get him soon, Mom, you know what I mean?
And my baby's talking to his mom. Anyways, you guys, yeah, I don't know what to say. There's really nothing new.
That's why I'm trying to sell these rims, so I can at least give him like 100.
But yeah,
At least 2.
I don't know what I'm gonna eat first. These tacos or you?
This bit. What'd you get? I got 7.
Hey guys, we're just running some errands right now. He's playing his game. You guys, we got addicted to this game called Traffic Run, and it is so addicting. Like, I started playing it like maybe like a couple days ago, and I'm already like on level almost 600. Yeah.
Sure.
Look, watch. Show it, baby. You guys can't really see it.
Man, these fool.
Anyways, but I was gonna film this makeup look, but I was kind of in a rush to be done. So
Check out the
yeah, lately I've been obsessed with like this like Juvia's palette, Palace, the shimmer all over your lid and crease. I don't know why, but like I've been so obsessed with that kind of look lately. Then I just put this little pink color in my inner corner from the Morphe palette, the 3502, I believe. And yeah, I got the Smashbox crystallized highlighter that my baby picked out for me.
Gang full.
This is my little cousin, Aleni. And yeah. Hey guys, good morning. Today is Mother's Day. It's Sunday. Happy Mother's Day to all the girls watching if you're a mom. Me and my baby are here at the shooting range. Huh, baby?
Show them what we're shooting. It's little 22.
Yeah.
We get footage of you capping right now.
Pew pew. I don't think you can show that on YouTube. Can you?
Yeah. You're gonna shoot it.
Oh.
So guys, my beautiful wives. My wife is about to shoot the 22. We're shooting in the air, mi amor. I need to oil it, that's why.
Oh my god, you guys, it is so hot. Oh my god. I'm out here helping him doing his truck stuff. Gordo.
That almost sweating. You got me on camera and shit.
Anyways, I'm cleaning out his truck because someone doesn't know how to do it.
What?
What?
You drive it more than me. I just barely got it back, y'all.
Liar. Maybe. Anyways, but yeah, I'm here cleaning his truck. This is my suegro's truck. It's badass. Anyways, I never showed you guys the rims, but here they are. They're black with green letters that say Boss. And I know they need new tires. Anyways, I was gonna show you guys like when the truck was all done and stuff, but this is what we're doing at the moment. Uh-oh.
Don't listen to her. I just barely got my truck back from 2 weeks ago. She had my truck for 2 weeks.
Okay, and?
So all the trash in there, trying to put it off on me, but it's really... So.
No.
Swipe up if you guys would like to see us do that challenge on Facebook. You know where they stand on that thing?
What thing?
That little surfboard with that little stick?
I am not gonna do that.
Yeah. Oh, fuck your shit.
Crazy. Crazy. Here.
Oh, fuck your shit
Throw
up
that
in
in
that,
there.
like I did in Mortal Kombat. By the way, don't play in Mortal Kombat because
You'll lose.
she'll cheat.
Whatever. So yeah, guys, this is what we do on a daily basis. We come to car washes and, you know, just stuff about the truck in general. So until the next one, you guys. Bye.
Like, comment, subscribe.